So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Snapchat widget not showing iPhone Android step, permissions and reset. So how to fix Snapchat widget not showing? The Snapchat widget may not appear if the app is outdated, not installed correctly or the phone has not been restarted after updates. It can also happen when widget permission or background app refresh are disabled in your phone setting. To fix this issue, update Snapchat, check permissions, restart your phone or reinstall the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Fix 1 is update the Snapchat app. First, make sure that Snapchat is updated to the latest version. Outdated version of the app sometimes do not support widget properly. On an iPhone, open the App Store, search for Snapchat and tap update if an update is available. On the Android device, open the Google Play Store, search for Snapchat and update the app if needed. After updating the app, restart your phone and check if the widget appear. So fix 2 is add the Snapchat widget manually. Sometimes the widget simply need to be added manually to the home screen. On iPhone, press and hold an empty area on the home screen until the app start to move. Tap the plus icon at the top of the screen, search for Snapchat, select the widget style you prefer and then tap Add Widget. On Android, press and hold an empty space on the home screen and tap Widget. Find the Snapchat widget and drag into your home screen. Fix 3 is check app permissions. The widget may not work if the required permissions are disabled. Open setting on your phone and scroll down to Snapchat. Make sure permissions such as notification, background app refresh and contacts are enabled. These permissions help Snapchat update and widget correctly. Fix 4th is restart your phone. After changing permission or adding the widget, restart your phone. Restarting the device refreshes the system and can help the widget load properly. Fix 5th is reinstall Snapchat. If the widget still do not appear, reinstalling the app can fix the issue. Press and hold the Snapchat app icon and remove it from your phone. Then download it again from the App Store or Google Play Store and log in to your account. After reinstalling, try adding the widget again. 6th fix is clear Snapchat cache, Android only. Android users can also clear the app cache to fix widget problem. Open setting, go to apps, then select Snapchat and tap storage, then choose clear cache. This removes temporary file that might be causing the issue. So 7th fix is disable battery optimization in Android. Some Android devices restrict widget when battery optimization is enabled. Open settings, go to battery, select battery optimization, find Snapchat in the list and choose don't optimize. So 8th fix is update your phone's operating system. Widget may not work correctly if your phone's operating system is outdated. Open app or Play Store on your device, search for Snapchat and click update button next to the app. If update button is not visible, then the Snapchat is already running in the latest version. So 9th fix is reinstall the Snapchat app. If the Snapchat widget still not does appear, log out of Snapchat, delete the app, restart your phone, reinstall Snapchat and then try adding the widget again. This process resets the app completely and usually resolves the problem. So uninstall and reinstall Snapchat on Android. Step 1. Uninstall Snapchat. Unlock your Android phone and go to the home screen or app drawer. Find the Snapchat app icon. Press and hold the Snapchat icon for a few seconds. A small menu will appear on the screen. Tap uninstall. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to remove the app. Tap OK or uninstall to confirm. The Snapchat app will now be removed from your Android device. So step 2 is reinstall Snapchat. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Try Snapchat in the search bar and search for the app. Select the official Snapchat from the result. Tap the install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your phone. Once installation is complete, tap open, log in using your Snapchat username and password. The app will now be uninstalled again on your Android phone. So, step 1 is delete Snapchat. Unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Locate the Snapchat app icon. Press and hold the Snapchat icon until a menu appears. Tap remove app. Select delete app. Tap delete again to confirm. The Snapchat app will now be removed from your iPhone. Step 2 reinstall Snapchat. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap the search tab at the bottom of the screen. Type Snapchat in the search bar. Tap the download or get button next to the app. You may need to confirm using Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. Wait for the app to install. Tap open and log in to your Snapchat account. Thank you.